guys. Then I'll show you how to replace your air filter here. This is a 2021 BMW 530i, and I believe this is probably the same from the 2017 model to probably most recent model. They all share the same engine, the b46, b48. I think it's the b46 in the US. Anyways, you're gonna need to loosen this clamp here. This is a size 6, or you can do a flathead screwdriver. You undo this electrical connector here. Basically, you pull. Hey, let me show you. It's pretty simple. You basically pull this with a flathead screwdriver. Okay, like that. And then you'll be able to take this out. Alright. And then we're going to undo these screws here. These are T25. So there's like a bunch of them here, go around. And then eventually we're gonna, once they are loose, we're gonna try to lift this up and take it out of the way. I know you should be able to undo this for ease of access, but I do not have a socket for this here. I think you can use a normal socket, but it might strip it. It's best to use the star head socket, like an E something. Anyways, gonna take this out and see what happens. Okay, so it wouldn't come out from here. Well, this was a little hard to take out, so I had to undo this here. This is a T30 and this is a T20, so I can wiggle it out. So this whole thing can move a bit. Anyways, once this came out, this comes out here. Now you can take your old filter and put in a new one. A little bit dirty, but yeah, this is the replacement one. Probably clean this up with a vacuum or something, and that's it. Put everything back and you'll be done. But anyways, removing probably the bar here would be a better way, so you don't have to take off the other stuff. But if you're gonna have to take off the other stuff, you don't really need to take this bar off. One side is a start head bolt, and the other side, when I looked under, it's a normal bolt. So why they do that, I have no idea, but you just want to make it a pain. Alrighty, I hope this helps. See you in the next one.